y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm basically gonna be putting these stickers right here on my car. On the back it says, basically it's the instructions. You scan it and then it's telling me to use a heat gun or hair dryer. I'm obviously outside, nowhere near none of that, so I'm finna pretty much just try to put it on there without a heat gun or hair dryer. Hopefully it work. I mean, it's pretty much just a sticker. If it don't stay, I got another set, so if it doesn't stay, I can probably get somebody, you know, who has an actual heat gun or something that they could put it on for me. But this ain't working how I want it to work. Can't get it in the hole. So as y'all can see, I got it on there. I did it to the best of my ability. What I'm probably gonna do is, since I got another set, I'm probably just gonna get somebody who actually does stuff like this professionally, like the guy who did this. I'm probably just gonna get him to put them in there for me. You know, I just want to try to do something myself, but as you can see, but you know, I mean, looking far off, you ain't gonna really be able to tell unless you just looking all up in there. But I'm gonna just leave it like this for the moment. Like I said, I'm gonna just get somebody else to do it professionally, so it looks a little better. But that's all, you guys. And I did the other side off camera because the sun is on this side, but the sun isn't on that side, so I feel like it wouldn't have really just mattered. But thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.